Good day everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my product card using HTML and CSS. The product I choose is Tortang Talong, which is a popular Filipino dish. First is the HTML file. I started by creating the basic HTML structure inside the head section. I added the title of the web page, linked the Google font called Poppins, and connected my external CSS file named style.css. Inside the body, I created a div with a class card, which contained all the information about the product. Inside the card, I added an image of the Tortang Talong, the product name using the h2 tag, the price using the h3, and a short description inside a paragraph and a buy now button. Next is the CSS file. I used the Poppins for font for the whole web page and set the background color using a hexadecimal color. For the product, I gave it a white background, added padding to create space inside the card, rounded the corners using border radius, and added a back shadow using RGBA to make it stand out. I also set the image width to the 100% so it fits inside the card and gave the image rounded corners. Then, I changed the color of the product name, price, and description using hexadecimal colors. For the button, I changed its background color, text, removed the border, added the padding, and rounded its corner. Lastly, I added a hover effects, which the mouse is placed over the button, its color changes. When the mouse is placed over the product card, the back shadow becomes darker, it gives a simple interactive effect. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.